I don't know.
Alright, wait. Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. Hi guys, it's Cheeseburger back here. Yes, my voice changed. I'm kidding. Hi, this is French Fries, Cheeseburger sister. Yes, today I'm very social. That's because I got a lot of candy. Today we are playing the Mimic.
We're recording this on Halloween. That's why we're pretty hyped up.
Yeah.
I really hope it's listening to us, or else we just look very stupid.
Anyways, this is the first time playing this game. Be ready to be like jump scared, you know? Why not?
Yeah. Oh, my mic doesn't taste good.
Mine's fluffy. Yeah, my back is loaded up
with stacks and different. I should probably shut the door for.
Why not? Oh, what is that?
I don't want to know. We don't talk about the back of my door. Nobody talks about the back of my door, and they shouldn't.
Oh, what's that?
We don't talk about it, Pookie. I don't know where to clip my mic.
I don't know, just clip it to your shirt. Sorry about that, guys. Like put you down a little.
Smell good. So what's this game about?
Smells like dust. Let me just like. Oh, so the Mimic. Yeah.
Oh, Pookie, I love your pose there.
Yeah, my back is loaded up. Go to the office. Where's the office?
The office is in the back rooms. So, I will be taking a shortcut.
Oh, we're in Japan. I don't know where the office is. I think I walked past it.
This man needs some speed.
Yeah, my back is loaded up.
Oh yeah, the barrier.
Ah. Wait, I think the office is this way then.
Meh. What's up, Doc?
The office is this way.
Yeah.
I think. Never mind.
Meh.
Wait, it was.
Okay. I
find the
really
key.
Hope
find the key. You need to find the key.
Find the key.
Yeah, my back is loaded up with snacks and different foods.
Squeezed into this tiny shirt, my big back had no room. I love
big bag.
I can't go through this door, bro.
I couldn't either, cause I'm a big bag. Yeah, man, I swear I saw a key somewhere. I can move the blocks.
Get into the wall box.
You move over blocks. Move! In my way. Big bag.
Key!
Wait, you found it?
I got a key.
Then go unlock that door.
What door?
This door.
What
this
door?
One, right here.
What door? No. No witnesses. No witnesses. Pookie, come here.
Yeah, my back is loaded. Where'd you find the key? Oh. Tip. Click the inventory button at the bottom center of your screen to toggle inventory. With inventory, you can access items beyond the hold limit. Why do we have a countdown? Anyways, inventory can also skin lanterns. What? Open the inventory could open list any ongoing tasks. Why do we have 3 seconds?
Wait, 3 seconds for what?
I don't know, we had the countdown. I'm scared.
Ah, toesies!
Why does it look like that?
Like you're cutting G.
Why does it look like my grandma? Take off your blue jeans. Take off the blue jeans.
Are we in a boat? What the?
Yeah, we are in a boat. We're on the Titanic. Something was just behind it.
Oh wow, that's so scary.
Oh hi.
Do not grab me, sir.
How's your day going, man? Anyways, how How's it going? Just saying, like, since we're halfway here, forgot to remind you guys, if you get scared easily, don't watch this.
Yeah, we're pretty late on that warning.
And if you don't like your ears ringing, then don't watch this video. Don't watch the rest of it, at least.
If you like crashing out, watch this video.
But still, if you like to crash out, but you don't want to get scared, or you don't like screaming, or you don't like your ears ringing, then don't watch it.
I was about to sneeze, dang it.
Achoo!
Oh, we're already at 5 minutes, I think.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, my back is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Oh, it's got a candle. It's special.
Bro, my
Seek out a book.
screen is still black.
Control to crouch.
Sorry if this is not entertaining because my screen is black.
Guys, she looks like she's falling on my screen.
Oh. Okay.
Ow, ow. You want to say one? I just want to pay. Oh, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. What? Seek out a book. A book? Why do I gotta find a book? What if I don't want to find no book? Man, I'm doing this alone.
I can't help it. But dinosaurs are literally extinct.
One dinosaur for Christmas.
You can't because dinosaurs are extinct.
No, you stink.
Literally talk to the hand.
Hi, hand.
No, my hand is not a person.
Actual? I think it is.
Hi, hand. How are you? Bro, why is my screen still black?
I don't know.
Ow,
Why is your
ow.
screen still black?
It's the first of the month. Ow, ow. Because it's the first of the month.
It's not the first of the month. Actual?
Ow, ow.
That's the 31st.
Ow, ow.
Guys, I wish you
Isn't
guys
it
could see
midnight?
my screen. She literally looks like so doofy. Oh, they're seeing all your notifications right now.
Oh, well, I'm gonna cut that part out. My screen isn't black anymore. So that's not Pookie. Why are you so close there, Pookie?
Hi.
Hi.
You don't see me.
What?
Said I'm the mimic.
Oh. Candle. I'm scaring my audience.
Wait, so what we're supposed to do? What we're supposed to do, we're supposed to open this, we're supposed to find a book, and then give it to the old lady that's gonna haunt us.
What?
Yep.
Open sesame. No. No, don't go out there, Pookie. Just don't. Okay. Or don't listen to me, that works too.
Yeah! It's rammed up! Rammed on! What's this thing? Yeah, my back is loaded up with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I caught you. When I was 1,
You don't know where I am.
when I was 1, there were no rules.
Except don't fall. Yeah, I caught you!
Dang it. I was about to
I
steal
caught
your
you.
lines. Even though we don't have limes. Limes.
We have limes, not lions.
Ooh, another place.
Yeah, my back is loaded up with snacks and different foods.
Squeezed into this tiny shirt, my big back Hello?
There's no room. Is there an old lady coming for me?
No, I'm coming for you.
Sorry, guys, that was like really loud.
That
wasn't me.
Thanks.
Wasn't me. Even memory in the shower wasn't me. In a small village, there lived 2 orphan sisters. The two sisters live in poverty and constantly starved themselves. What, to look skinny? One day, Mio, the younger sister, the younger, arrived. Dang it. Rin, the older one, became skeptical about her. She questioned Milo, but never told why Mio was so dreadful. The day went by. Rin came to a final thought that Mio must have been eating well without her. Wow. What the?
Oh my god.
Jealousy overtook Rin. To satisfy her insatiable hunger, she consumed her own sister. That's crazy.
Cannibalism.
Rin came to the realization that Mio had been secretly saving money for both of them. She became haunted with extreme guilt, leading to mysterious appearance of second mouth in the back of her head.
Ah.
It was the mouth of Mio, who constantly waited for food, otherwise Rin would ache in extreme pain.
I think my screen froze again.
Man.
Bruh. Oh. Please.
Poison rats.
Yay!
Get the poison rats. What?
Scabbers! Dang. Scabbers!
Yeah, my back is loaded up!
Where's
Rooms with
Scabbers?
Shimano will protect you.
Scabbers! Yeah, he's not here.
Where are the rats?
Scabbers! Oh, I fell off the world.
What?
I dead grass fell off the world. What the? Hello? Ah! What the frisk?
My god. Hi there. You were...
Pookie, I'm right.
That was really close.
I'm gonna, like, stand behind you.
That was like really close to me there, man. You got really close to my face. That is not very nice. Hey,
What? Should I open the door for you? Ladies first, by the way.
you already... Pookie, Pookie, Pookie,
Nope,
Pookie.
nope. Oh, I'm not doing this. Yeah, let's just, like, shut the door, you know?
Girl. Loser.
Yeah, let's just, like, shut the door, you know?
No, open the door. I want to see her crazy out hair.
Why she look like that, though?
Hey, old lady.
I'm gonna fall off my yoga ball.
You look like my crazy old grandma.
Nope. We're gonna annoy the crap out of her. Hi, girlie, what's up?
Hey, Boo-Tang.
Wait,
You already
that's
attacked me once. Oh,
oh, heck to the no.
yeah, my back is loaded up.
What the frisk? Wait, what do we even have to do?
So we have to like collect keys or whatever?
Ah.
Or like something like that? I
Oh,
can't remember.
This is gonna be a
Find
long
key.
video.
Poison rats.
Scabbers! Girl.
Where'd that thing go?
I don't know, but it's coming. And it's right there.
The heck you?
Why does she look like that?
That's what I was about to say. What the heck?
Okay, nope, not today. Pookie, I swear if you die. Does she have a head on the back of her head?
No, it's a mouth. Just like that story told us.
She a big back. Nope. 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 She a big back because she ate without her sister.
She a big back, big back.
Big back, big. Oh, we're so special. Hello. Ah!
Wait, is she coming here?
I think.
Hello there.
I'm not okay. If anyone's watching this, please send help. Please send help. Please send help.
Come at me.
You bite my
I feel like
sister.
she's
I bite
coming
you.
now. Come at me.
Come at me, girl. Oh no.
Get back in here. Come at me. Bet you won't. Let's go. Fight me.
Fight me like a man.
Be a man.
Nope.
Be a man.
Be a man.
What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me? Korsinika.
Is that like Japanese for like I hate you or something? Why she look like that?
I don't know. She looks like she's on her knees though.
Cause I'm on my knees,
Hey,
I'm begging.
Hey, hey,
Hey you, skinny. Oh.
hey,
Hey string bean. No. We're gonna
Hey, bean of the string.
Nope. I saw her.
Yeah, string bean. You know, are you coming? Yeah, you literally look like Shrek.
If
Come here. Come
if
fight me
Shrek
like a
was
man.
if Shrek was a string bean.
Fight me like a man. Fight me like a man. Yeah. Yam time.
Damn time.
Yam time. Fight me like a man.
I think I just saw her head peek through. Girl, are we gonna leave this room or like
Fight me like a man.
fight me like a ma'am?
No, fight me like a man.
Yeah,
Fight me like a man.
I'm going to get these keys, and I'm most likely gonna turn my volume down. So my
Yeah, my back is lit up. It's nice and different fits.
squeeze the tail. Oh, okay, I made it. I'm in a different room, but she can't get me because I'm just built like that.
Yeah, guys. Let's hope she doesn't try and get me.
Why she sound like that? Okay, I'm gonna like make my volume higher because I want to be scared.
Gosh, she just went past the room I was in.
Oh,
But
I did
you
not-
die?
yeah, I did not think she could go in that room that I was in.
Wait, where's she at right now? Oh, she just walked past the room I'm in.
Okay, if you guys want a part 2, we're gonna stop it here, and then I'm going to record it after I'm done with this one. I'm gonna stop recording now and then record another video right now. Okay. How do we end the video?
Bye, guys.
Bye.